Hey, welcome back to NoCodeMinute. Sometimes uploading files or images aren't as clean as we would like, having extra buttons to save it or whatnot. How can we have a smooth upload experience for our users? Let's take a look. In the workflows, there's this event that you'll find. It says when an input value is changed. So we added picture uploader's value is changed. We're going to create a new image to add to our list of images. And then we're going to reset the inputs all within one click. Let's see how that looks. We're going to click on the uploader, upload the image, and automatically it saves into our list and clears out this uploader. Let's do it again. Click on another image, upload it, and there's the next image. And we can keep doing this with just that one button. So much better. Alright, well that's your NoCodeMinute for today. See you tomorrow. Remember to subscribe so we can continue to make these videos.